How to source fonts in CapCut. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut app, click on the option New Project, or launch any of the existing project where you want to add text. Once you launch it, at the bottom you're going to find different option. Head over to the option Text. Now click on the option Add Text. Here you're going to find different tab. Head over to the tab Fonts. Under that as well, you're going to find different section as brand fonts, trending, headlines, elegant, and many more. As you want to search for a specific font, what you want to do is click on the search icon given over here. Now type in the font name that you want to add in your project. With that, related options will appear. Now select the font that you want to add, type in your text, and place it. So this way you can easily search for a specific font on the CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.